Welcome to the Hanover Middle School store.
We have pretty much everything we need, except for some cool store merch.
Luckily for us, we have great manufacturers right across the street, L2 Brands.
Oh yeah, I have some of their hats and shirts.
Let's go out there and check it out.
My name is Andrea Hirsch. I am the production art supervisor who is in charge of the artists who do headwear designs. So here's an example of something that we have done, and you all said, hey, we have that hat. This being the Hanover logo. We've done many hats for Hanover, so that's kind of cool. It's really fun to do local things around here.
I am the supervisor of Final Prep. That is a department here that does all the final inspections of all of our headwear. Well, our department is quality. So in our department, we do everything possible to make this hat look like when you're ready to buy it off the shelf. Because when they come off the machines, they have foam and strings and everything that needs trimmed. So our job is to make that look the best pristine hat you've ever seen.
As my job, I need to be able to pay attention to detail and be able to start and stop a job. You know, just like now with the champion hats, we have to be ready to roll to the next hats to get them moving. I'm a former Nighthawk, and I used to play basketball and softball, so it gives me great pride when I can do especially the sports and look on TV and you can see our little green tag and know that we might have made that.
I'm the print production supervisor on the entire floor out here, so I supervise the screen print operators as well as the direct-to-garment operators over here. We do work for the Masters every year. Being such a prestigious golf event, it's a quick turn event, so when the week hits, we're busy every day trying to get shirts to them. Everything we do out here is cool, just to see the unique designs and customers that we sell everything to and where it goes.